Okay, so Perryville is completely flooded. The power line just across the street got struck by lightning or something, went down, and it's sparking like crazy.
It's a branch that fell.
You think it's a branch that fell on it or something?
There's trees right there.
If that thing lights the trees on fire, you see how much that's lighting up over there. Our lights are flickering and everything. Right next to us, right here. Get inside, get inside. Don't touch the water, get inside. Holy crap, that was right next to us. Okay. For real though.
Okay,
Now what? There's cars stuck out in that water with electrical energy running through it. Holy crap! That was like right there!
Right here.
Right in front of our building!
It's going off. It's by the tree.
It's just like lighting our tree on fire!
Oh my goodness.
Holy crap!
Oh my goodness. Hello? Yeah, there's a live power line now over on Perryville.
and Charles.
In Charles. Perryville and Charles.
Oh, well, it's
What's the address?
it's 2222 South Perryville Road is where you're at.
2222 South Perryville Road.
But you know what? It looks like it got rained out.
Yeah.
They probably cut the power.
We're actually in the Dairy Queen.
They probably cut the power.
I'm sorry, but it looks like. Yes, it's on Perryville. Right now it's not. It must have been all the power got cut off, so there's nothing now.
The other one might have shut off now.
It was sparking like crazy.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
These people.
You guys, close.
Yeah.
Obviously.
What happened over there?
100%. That was crazy though. I've never.
Wait, everybody, listen. So, whatever you can do without this power, clean, get the chairs up, mop. Water should be running fine. We have to call ComEd.
Okay.
And then, try not to go in the cooler and the freezers.
Yeah.
Why's that?
The power is out, so
Okay.
it's not on. It's not running at all.
Oh, so to keep the cold in there, don't
Yes.
open the door?
So I've
Gotcha.
already taken care of the milks. We did Julius's already, right? Yeah. So I think I don't know about
them off right there.
grill.
There's lights over by a drive-thru.
Don't take.
Oh, it's the cars over there.
They're going over the curve and turning back
Be so
now.
active about this.
Okay. Well, wow.
Well, never seen that before.
That one, I gotta admit that one came after that.
Yeah, that was right there next to us.
That scared me.
There's a river in the middle of the road.
I don't know. It's probably the emergency light.
Okay. Well, guys, let's
Holy cow.
we're closing right now.
We're closing
Alright.
right now. Okay. Yeah.
Taco Bell one.
This